In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Tradingview subscription. Whether you are upgrading for more alerts, extra indicators, or advanced chart layouts, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get set up with confidence. First, log in or sign up. Head to the Tradingview website or open the app. If you already have an account, click Login and enter your credentials. If you are new, choose Sign Up and create an account using your preferred method, like email or a trusted single sign-on option. Take a moment to confirm your region and currency in your account settings, so prices display correctly. If you are prompted to verify your email, it's a good idea to complete that to avoid any billing or access hiccups later. Next, navigate to pricing. On desktop, you'll usually find a pricing or Go Pro link in the top navigation. On mobile, open the main menu and tap Pricing. This page lays out the available subscription tiers side by side. Depending on your location and current promotions, you may also see a free trial banner for certain plans. If it's available, keep that in mind as you compare. Now, select a plan. Look over the features that matter most to you, things like the number of charts per layout, indicators per chart, server-side alerts, saved layouts, and data refresh intervals. Decide whether a monthly or annual billing cycle makes more sense. Annual plans typically offer a lower effective monthly rate. If a free trial is offered, you can start there to test the features before you commit long-term. When you are ready, click the button for your chosen plan, such as Start Free Trial or Buy Now, and confirm you are viewing prices in the right currency. Finally, complete payment. On the checkout page, pick your payment method, such as a credit or debit card or a supported digital wallet. Enter your billing details carefully, and review the order summary for the plan name, price, taxes, and your renewal date. If you have a promo code, apply it before confirming. Look for any option to manage auto-renew so you understand how future billing works. Agree to the terms, submit your payment, and wait for the confirmation message. You'll receive a receipt and a confirmation email, and your subscription should activate on your account immediately. To double-check, open your account's billing or subscription page and verify the active plan and next charge date. That's it. Log in or sign up. Navigate to pricing, select a plan, and complete payment. If you ever need to update your card, download invoices, or change plans, you can manage everything from your billing settings.